That is how that is the story behind our database tables. And so we have seen this, and there are search helps and lock objects. Search helps, there are two kinds of search helps. One is elementary search help and collective search help. So we have that field in SE11, which is DDIC. This is called DDIC. It's a metadata. It is a central repository. It has all kinds of. We can create table type structures, everything in DDIC. So here we can use the two kinds of search helps for the given object in this, and then the last one is the lock objects. For example, we have a multiple users and we want to work on the same object. So sometimes we need to lock for the read and lock for the write. Like that, there are different kinds of locks for the object, and for to declare a particular object with the either one kind of lock, we have to apply the lock object for the object. So that is it. And there are select options in ranges, which has they both are used to maintain ranges. We have seen what is selections. For example, when you tick a field as a selection, you will be able to give some selection in RSA3 and in the info package. We always see what are selections. We give the selections, and according to those selections, we will get. For example, if you take a date selection, then you can give the current quarter, some current half yearly selection, some 1 January to June, first half of the selection, and then you will get only half yearly data. Like that, selections are used. So there are select options and ranges. There are two internal tables for this, and for that purpose, we have, internal tables for that. So what that one hold is the sign option low, high. These are the four fields this table will be holding, and if you use the select options, the internal table is already defined by the system, and if you use the ranges, we have to define it explicitly. So there is the difference, and so here you can see we have four options in this internal table. We have four fields. Both of them have four fields. Those are So these are the four fields we will find in a selection in order to declare a selection. So for this field, either for sign field, either we have I or E. So inclusive or exclusive. So they either we want to include or we want to exclude the ranges. This one we can declare in sign, and in option field we can have the comparing, like between, not between, equal to, and not equal to. Like that, we have different operators, and we can use that for the option. And here we have low, as we have to here we have to define the low range, and we can define the high range. For example, once you define the between, and you define January, and you define June, it will be in a date. If it is a date field, it will be in the order of date. So just like that, for example, if you define it, it will take the data between this Jan to June, 01 to 06, when you apply the selection. So for that purpose, there are four fields in the selection in order to declare the selection. So that is about the range field. Now we can see what is the transformation. We will see the bigger picture. What is transformation? We will see it just now. Are you guys available, right?
ఆయన వాళ్ళ సీనియర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు అంటున్నారు కదా, సో పర్లేదు.
Here we have a transformation. What is the transformation? In transformation, we have different routines. We are going to see how that is working, the transformation. So here, for example, you have uh, can we take a 5 minutes break or something? It is 8 o'clock now. Yeah, it is true.
Yeah, sure.
It's 9:30.
Yeah. So it will take half an hour. So let's take 5 minutes break if you want to.
Okay.
I may not be able to come back.
Hello. Hello. Can we start?
Yes, I'm ready.